So I wanted to show you another Chrome extension called Picture-in-Picture. So just like before, you're going to go to chrome.google.com. You're going to click on extensions. In the extensions search, you're going to type in Picture-in-Picture extension. So after you type that in, you will see this one. There are other ones. I'm sure they work great, but I chose this one because it's a Google extension, and yours will say Add to Chrome. You're going to go ahead and click to Add to Chrome. It will look like a box with a little box inside of it. So what this allows me to do is to go to my toolbox, click on my video that I want to watch, and then I'm going to click play. Now, it will play, but normally what the kids had to do was toggle. So they had to go from the toolbox to the video, to the toolbox to the video, to write on it. So now what this allows me to do is to click Pic-in-Pic, and it brings it down here. And now the kids can play this while they are writing on it. So it makes it a little bit easier for them to be able to watch the videos that we make for them and then write and take notes as they're doing it. It also works on a mobile device.